Hi dear students, welcome to my class. This is for 8 students and the chapter is chemical effects of electric current. In the last class we were discussed about materials which conducts electricity and some materials which does not conducts electricity. So the materials which conducts electricity we simply call as these are the good conductors of electricity. For example, all metals. Metals are good conductors of electricity. And then there are some materials are there. In that materials, electric current is not flow or which does not conduct the electricity. That is we call as poor conductors of electricity. Okay. So in this class, I am going to discussing about a very interesting topic, that is, do liquids conducts electricity? Do liquids conducts electricity? Question mark. Smart. Do you have any idea about this liquids conducts electricity? Whether you check or not. So before going to this, you have to know one thing, ma. So I am taking one simple battery. This is battery means your cells, cell, electric cells. So in torch na, in the torch we use the cells. Okay, this is what a cell. So two ends are there. One positive end and another one is a negative end. Cathode and anodes. Like this we have a cell. So in this cell I am going to connect a bulb. Connect the bulb. This is the bulb, red colored bulb. Okay, and one more end. One end is connected with the tester end. This is a tester. Why we use this tester, ma? So this tester is used for whether electricity is present or not. For checking the electricity, we have to use the testers. Okay, test lamps, like we have to call a test lamp. Okay, when electricity is passed through it, in this metal which glows, which in this this tester, a small bulb is there. When electricity is passed through it, it glows the bulb. Okay, and other end is connected to other end of the tester. Like this, we have to connect the circuit. This is the complete circuit of this is cell and this is bulb and this is the tester. Okay, when you connect all these circuit, here bulb starts glowing. Whether if in case I am going to connect this wire, metallic wire, to this plastic material, is it bulbs glows or not? No. Why? Because this plastic does not conduct electricity. But in front of the tester, we have a metallic one metal is there. Here metallic component is there. This metallic component conducts electricity, but this head of the tester is made by plastic. This does not conduct the electricity. That's why this, when you connect like this, when you connect the one end of the this cell is connect to the tester, the bulb is not glowing. If you connect to the both ends to this metallic component, bulb starts glowing. So this is one simple activity. So when you conduct this activity, please remember one thing, ma. Don't use the direct mains or this direct current. You always use only cells. Okay. Any activity you have to perform in your homes, only use these electric cells. Don't use generators or direct plugs, and all these don't use. Okay. These are very dangerous. Okay. One more thing. I already told this. Do liquids conduct electricity or not? Simply, if you touches the electrical appliances with the wet hand, which gives the shock, that means this liquids conduct the electricity. Do liquids conduct electricity? The answer is yes. Simply we say as yes, liquids conduct the electricity. So what is the reason how this electricity flows in liquids? In liquids we can observe the ions. that ions conducts the electricity. In liquids, ions are present. Ions are present. So what is meant by this ions means this is the charged species. Positive ion and negative ions are there. So this we will study in the higher classes. Ions more about we will study in the chapter 4 and the class is 10th class. Okay, that in that chapter you will deeply discuss these ions. In this, just remember liquids conducts electricity by the ions. Okay, these ions are the carriers of the electricity. How do you know? So here also I am taking one small plastic water bottle cap. This is a plastic water bottle cap. In that plastic water bottle cap, I am going to squeeze some liquid, that is lemon juice. That is a lemon juice. If you use lemon juice or any like vinegar. So this is lemon juice. I am taking lemon juice now. Lemon juice is there. So after that, you have to once again take a cell. Take a cell or this tester. Simply you have to take this is a cell. Okay, this is a cell. In this cell, I am connected with the bulb, and this bulb two ends. These two ends of the cells are putting inside this lemon juice like this. This is the complete circuit. So now you have to check whether bulb is glowing or not. So with the help of tester also you can check the electricity, whether it is electricity present or not. If in case bulb is not correct or bulb is fused or any connections are loose or any connections are is made any mistakes, the bulb is not glowing. This situation is also possible. If connections are not good, bulb is not glowing. If the filament of the bulb in the bulb, so we can inside that bulb we have a one filament. In that filament, when this electric current is it goes inside the bulb, that filament starts heating with high temperature. It starts heating. This heating we call as glowing of bulb. Okay, this is what do liquids conducts electricity. All the liquids, maximum 99% liquids conducts electricity. By the help of this experiment, we can conclude that liquids conducts electricity. I am taking a lemon juice. You can take vinegar also. Okay. So when liquids between the two ends of the testers, if you consider this is a tester. Okay. In between the current is passed. So this circuit of the tester becomes complete. If in case current is flows, this circuit is complete. If current is not flows, this circuit does not complete. Like this we have to say as this is complete circuit. When circuit is complete, then only bulb starts glowing. Okay, this is all today's class. Liquids, do liquids conducts electricity? So you have to tell yes, liquids conducts electricity by ions. By ions. Okay. In the next class we will discuss more about this liquids conducts electricity. Okay. Thank you.